A brand new and exciting update from Luminar Neo, the Studio Light. Transform your images from this to this with few clicks and sliders. Add an image to the catalog section of the Luminar Neo. Go to the edit and you will find this newest update called Studio Light. Place the depth center, or in other words, source of light. Then move the amount slider to the right. Instantly, you will notice that the face is illuminated as if it is lit by a soft wax. If you wish, you can stop here and you have a subtle effect with enhanced glow on a face. You can do much more to this effect. But before I tweak it further, let me tell you that as of now, this update is available only in the beta version, and it will be available to the general subscriber by 31st of August 2023. If you wish to buy Luminar Neo, then link is given in the description with a discount coupon code. Remember, there is an early bird offer from 16th to 27th of August 2023. Now let us add some color to this light and get some cool effect. Play with the color sliders RGB, which stands for red, green and blue. The opposite of RGB is CMY, that is cyan, magenta and yellow. So if you move red slider to the right, it increases red. But if you move it to the left, you increase the cyan or reduce the red. Likewise for the other two colors. You may increase or decrease the depth of the light, or you may increase or decrease the overall exposure. Close this panel and you can now place second depth center or the source of light, maybe in the opposite direction to the first source. Increase the amount as per your preference. Here, instead of an overall light, I change the light pattern and make it strips. Change the position of the depth center as per your liking to change the direction of the light. And then, if you wish, you can play with the color slider. Just experiment with different colors and see what result you are satisfied with. I am overlaying the colors just for the sake of demonstration, but you can have a subtle effect. Again, you may increase or decrease the depth of the light and may change exposure a bit. Close the panel and this is the result before and after.